So this is the easiest maneuver. Examiner will ask you to pull up on the right side. You mirror signal. Make sure you don't force oncoming traffic to slow down because they have priority, and go reasonably close to the curb, and then you can stop and secure the car. Try not to go too close to the curb. Keep at least 1 foot away from the curb, and then once examiner asks you to, when you're ready, prepare your car into the reverse gear. Do all-round observation and keep your wheel straight and start observing. Keep watching all around you so you can spot any potential hazard. So now there is a car coming from front, a van. So I will make sure to stop for the van because I'm using their side of the road. Now he's gone. I will quick look again, start moving. I'm still good. I'm not going left, right. I'm just going straight back. It's almost 2 car length space. Again, I will stop for this car so they can safely overtake me. Again, observe. Whenever you stop, you must observe again properly all around. And now it's almost 2 car length space. I will stop here and secure. So you don't need to worry about how far you are going. If you will go more than 2 car length space, still is not a mistake. You will pass. Examiner will help you to stop. All right. Now, once you are moving from here, now because we are parking on the right side, we have to start observation from the right side, and our final check should be left side. I'm checking right side, mirrors, blind spot, front and back both clear, double check, coming back to my side of the road, that's it, and then checking mirrors and increasing my speed. You will be lucky if examiner will ask you to do this maneuver in your driving test. Subscribe for more. I will see you next time.